Hey guys, how are ya? So I wanted to share a little tip I found that'll save you guys some hassle, some rattling in this car that a lot of people have. I don't know why they designed it like this, but it has to do with the sunglass holder right here. Let me turn my light on. You can see it better. Okay, so a lot of people have this issue. They hear rattling and not sure exactly what it was. Well, it's a quick little fix for that. And it'll protect your sunglasses as well. So if you notice here, they put this like thick, nice foam actually on the back side, but they neglect to put it on this bottom part, which becomes the back when you flip it up there. So when you put your glasses in here, they rattle around like crazy. I don't know why they designed it like that. I'm sure it's just cost cutting, but it's an easy fix. So right here, you can put some felt or little foam squares on each side right here. Then when you put your glasses in, it's gonna be nice and soft. It's basic and it serves a purpose, but also helps a lot. And you can also put some on the side here because they will move side to side and rattle against the side. So if you guys are using expensive sunglasses, you don't want to scratch them up on this hard plastic. And I've noticed it a lot in my car, like especially with these big wheels on it. It rattles around, it moves a lot, things shakes. Very easy thing. I don't know why like they put it on the back side, but nothing on the rest. So it doesn't really do a whole lot. Maybe it minimizes some rattling, but it definitely has to have it all the way around. I've seen some cars where the whole entire thing is soft, which is the smart idea, but just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, nothing crazy here, just a tip. If you guys are noticing some rattling in there and frustrated with that, you know, you can even use the stuff that they use for furniture, little felt pads, get some black ones, put them in there, you know, it'll serve the same purpose. So anything that cushion it, anything's better than hard plastic. So I want to share that find with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I appreciate that. And I'll have more videos coming out. I have them coming out weekly, so don't miss out. I appreciate that. And I'll see you guys next time.